Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Special shout out to you if it is your birthday today. I hope that you guys have the most amazing day. I always love when you guys comment down below that it actually is your birthday so that I can personally wish you a happy birthday as well. It's the best. I love this little tradition that we have on my channel. But anyway, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. Hi, Molly. You staring at me? Good girl. Today started out sort of sucky because Connor had to leave for yet another trip for work. He's gonna be in Toronto until Sunday, so that sucks. But the good part is that we are turning this day around because Tara and I are about to have a Disney day. I'm so excited, I can't even tell you. JARA Disney days just hit different, you know? They are a special kind of day. So we are about to have a time. I think I'm gonna pick her up in about an hour and then we're going to jet over to Disney, grab some lunch there, and then start our fun. I am just through the roof excited. It's gonna be a blast. So I actually sort of need to start getting ready because, as I said, I'm gonna pick up Tara in about an hour-ish, but I'm trying really hard to get at least a short workout in every day before Coachella. Typically, I try not to work out because of something and rather work out because it makes me feel good. But you know, nobody's perfect, and yeah, I want to work out a little extra before Coachella. So we are getting in at least a 10-minute workout every day until Coachella. At least that's the goal. We're gonna see how it goes. So I'm just gonna do a really quick little circuit, as I said, 10 minutes, and then we're gonna hop in the shower and get ready to head out. By the way, shout out to this annoying ass zit on my face. F you, I'm real pissed off, but I have to say, glad that it's here right now and not at Coachella. I do want to say, I'm really going back and forth about whether I want to vlog Coachella or not. There's so much content from influencers during Coachella. It's gotta be overkill at a certain point. So let me know if I should, you know, vlog it or not. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down below. I think the next video is going to be a massive try-on haul, everything that I got for Coachella. I'm still waiting for one package, so gotta get that here before I can film that, but hopefully it arrives soon. Fingers crossed. I've tried on everything else that I've gotten so far. Some hits, some misses. But we're gonna try it all on. We're gonna talk through all of it together, which I think will be sort of fun. And I actually thought maybe we'll get Connor involved to get his opinion on everything, because that's always funny. But yeah, I'm just a little conflicted about whether I'll actually vlog at Coachella. But guys, just thinking about the fact that 9 days from right now, I'm gonna be seeing Harry Styles with my own eyes, like right in front of my face. I can't even begin to tell you the way that I feel about it. It's overwhelming, truly. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's gonna be the best. I can't wait. Enough of me just chit-chatting. Let's get into the workout. And just like that, we are ready for a Disney day. Just wearing like a really basic fit. It's gonna be super hot today, so I really didn't want to go overboard or anything. Just something comfortable. Threw my hair up that way. When I am inevitably sweaty, it will be out of the way. And yeah, got the ears. We're gonna go pick up Tara now. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for the tickets. This is so fun. I love how we can just like.
I'm sorry it's so hot.
Okay, I'm happy for it. Okay. At Disney, JARA Day has commenced.
Yay!
I didn't mention this to you guys earlier, but actually a subscriber of ours, Isabel, offered to sign us in today, which is so sweet. So that's the last clip that you saw because we were with her. We hung out with her for a little bit.
So cool.
So cool, right?
To you.
Yes. So nice of her to sign us in, give us tickets. Like, it's the best. And we are here for a JARA Disney Day. It's gonna be a time, and it's gonna be a good time. Hours. The park closes at midnight, so it's about to be a time. I'm so excited. I know. Lunchtime, and we got the classic sun-dried tomato and chicken pasta.
It's been so many years.
It's been so many years. It's so good. We always share one because it's pretty big.
It smells so good.
Yeah, I cannot wait to have this. Okay. Oh, that is amazing.
No, this is very good.
It's so creamy.
It's exactly how I remember it too.
It's so good. First ride of the day, Incredicoaster. I can't wait.
Welcome to the Incredicoaster. I'm Elastigirl. Watch it first.
Here we go! Classic. Yeah. You're going down, bitch? We're going down. You're going down, bitch. We're going down.
Hold on a moment, folks.
Okay, status update. I'm in the lead, but Tara did better in our current game. So, here we go. Next game on. 144 versus. So close. We did good. We did good. Still not best in vehicle. Oh, we're close. Yep. You're close. Ish. 40,000 away. Not so bad.
I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny. Get me out!
Trying to find a matching sweatshirt to buy.
We want to get some cute
For our Disney days.
but cute big. Oh,
This is the vibe.
cute, right? Should we go look in a mirror?
Yeah.
To confirm.
Let's see if we can find one. Ooh, she is precarious.
You know what? She's doing fine.
Yeah, doing all right.
She's still eating at the table.
Got the cute little matching sweatshirts. Look how adorable. Yeah, I love it. And we decided to stop in for a jalapeno cheese-filled pretzel.
My mind is blown. I'm very excited.
We're excited. This is what we're doing now. Yep, there she goes. Very cheesy.
Oh, yummy.
I want to dip. I know, me too.
Blue sweaters.
Oh, kind of yummy. Straight through the castle. So good.
Good to get row one for me?
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. Psychedelic Tigger. Okay, we popped over to California Adventure now because we wanted to try the Web Slinger ride. It's the new Spider-Man ride.
Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the Web Slinger vehicle.
Thank you so much. Ooh.
Spider bomb.
Oh my god, this is cool. Alright, final scores. I think this is me, 171. This was crazy. Yeah, right? 188, 170. It's a time. This was fun.
I'm happy we did
It really worked out.
Should we just watch the fireworks show?
I am very down. Comment down below if you are from the old school Disney vlog days and you remember the sing-alongs. Because they were the best. Is classic. Classic JARA Disney.
Just wait.
Oh yeah.
If I go
to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill. True until my shit music go. Ah! I just picture us that playlist. Same. That's all I see. So good. Again, you didn't mean that you wrote it, that song about me. You said forever, now I drive alone past your street.
September 1st, 1989.
Nope, this is Heather's.
Diary.
This song that plays every time we get in the car. Okay, yeah, this is a vibe. Not a want, but I need both of us break it free. Soaring, flying. Levels, levels, levels,
levels. There's levels to your love, and I keep on climbing up. Rooftop. Get a high five from Jesus. I just want you to know I wanna be your Romeo. Hey Juliet. Whenever I see someone less fortunate than I, and let's face it, who isn't less fortunate than I? Popular. Oh! You're gonna be popular. Become a palace minister and advisor. There's nobody wiser. Not when it comes to popular. I know about popular. Instead of flying off the handle. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy now. You heard your cause forever. I hope you think you're clever. You're happy right now.
Listen to me.
She's pregnant! Get her! I've been changed for the better. Oh God, it's gonna get changed. To believe I have been changed for the better.
Okay, what can I get for you?
We're gonna do 2 spicy deluxe meals.
Okay, large or medium meals?
Medium, I think. Yeah.
Medium tea is fine on both?
Yep.
And then what drinks?
Sweet tea? Yeah. Sweet tea for both.
Aviana.
Been around day.
Nicki Minaj. Thank you.
You good at everything?
Yep.
If I seem uninterested, I'm not.
What's that one song? Yeah, this is exactly what I was thinking.
I kind of thought you were
Exactly
gonna
what
say
I was
that
thinking.
too. I read your mind. What could I?
Yeah, literally.
I'm gone and I gotta stay high all the time.
Hello friends, a few days later, but I figured we could just continue on with this Tara and Jill extravaganza vlog. Because Tara and I are doing a beach day today. I think Becker might join us, Tasha might join us. It's gonna be a fun time. I am so excited. It is already hot out, you guys. Seriously, at 9 a.m. it was already like 78 degrees outside. It's gonna be toasty. Even Molly had to move out of the sun just then because it is hot. It's hot out there, isn't it? Had a very busy morning already. It's not even noon yet, but it has been a day. I had tons of calls, I had videos to get up, I had stuff to submit to brands. It's been a time, but woke up, got it done, feeling good about that, and we're gonna work on some lunch now. I'm actually sort of hungry already, even though it's still early. But that is okay with me. Where is the bowl that I want? Here we go. And today we're going to make a little chickpea tuna salad. And then I'm undecided about whether I'm just gonna eat it, if I wanna put it, I think I'll probably toast some bread. I'm just gonna start with a whole can of chickpeas, and I'm just gonna mash them using this weird tool. I don't even know what this is supposed to be for, but it works really well for mashing things. I use this like when I need to mash up tomatoes in a pot, and we're not trying to make this like smooth or anything, but we just want it to be broken down a little bit. I'll show you what this texture looks like in a second. So this is sort of what we got going in there. As you can see, there's still some like full chickpeas. There's some that are smashed down. I'm gonna use a bit of red onion for this. Probably like shallot would be the most ideal, but I don't have that, so. Onion going in. Pickle. That's gonna be so good in there. And then I'm just using some of the celery from this. Really quickly, I'm just going to cut this ciabatta bun in half and throw it in the toaster oven because I think this is what I'm gonna put it on. And then I'm just gonna throw in mayonnaise. You can also use Greek yogurt. That's probably what I would use if I had it, but I don't, so we're going for the mayonnaise. And just giving that a mix. All of that is in there. Mix it up. Minced garlic, I'm going there now. Pepper, and then just a little bit of salt because we do have some other like salty ingredients in there. We don't wanna go too overboard. I feel like we nailed it. Just for fun, I might add a little bit of this ranch seasoning. And my camera battery died, but ranch seasoning blend went in. Just a little bit, not too much. I have a bit of leftover avocado here. So I think I'm just gonna mash this onto the bread. Tomato would also be good on this. Should I cut up some tomato? Sounds good. Avocado, tomato. Now comes the chickpea. Look at that. I'm so excited. Just as good as I remember. Ladies Beach Day! We are doing it. We have been here for many hours. I have not taken one singular vlog.
Many hours.
It is like 4:30 now. We have just been relaxing here. Not much to see, honestly. We've just been chilling, but it has been lovely.
The greatest Friday.
The perfect day.
So relaxing.
Right? And it's gorgeous out. It's still so hot. I'm loving it. It's a good day.
It's too good.
Been back at Tara's for a while now, doing a great job of vlogging.
Oh, yeah. Crushing it today.
But we were just sitting out on her balcony, which was lovely.
So nice.
It's relaxing, drinking a claw, and now we're heading over to 3rd Street Promenade because I want to poke around a little for Coachella for Connor. Yes. We're just going to have a little look around, see if anything catches our eye. But I think I'm just going to leave the camera here. We're going to just do like a chill night at Tara's, so I'll check in with you guys when we get back here. Okay, our food just got delivered. We're back. I got a bunch of stuff for Connor at Zara, which I'm pretty excited about. I'll show you guys that later though, because we just got our food delivered. We ordered from Vegan Thai Kitchen. We've never tried this before, but we got a feast.
Look at this chili. I opened it when you were in the bathroom. I know.
Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is like a veggie roll with peanut sauce. We have a pad thai. We have fried rice. We have curry. We have tomka soup.
I'm dying.
And it's all vegan.
All vegan, every little bit of it.
I can't wait to try it.
So cool and exciting.
I know. I love it. And we're going to watch the morning show tonight. Finish this season out. Here we go.